He's scratching like that. He's going to have to readjust when he's done scratching. Yeah. Taking a nap. We have to find your leg. Oh, he's scratching his leg with his other leg. Oh! Look at Everett. Everett's excited to Annabelle.
I saw.
Can you see his face?
Look, Everett.
He's going to eat.
Oh, that's a candy
You're getting a little upset about the people's heads.
Where is he going? Where is he going? There's a over there. Bye, Amanda.